Welcome to my YouTube channel guys. For today's video ay samahan nyo ako dahil ako po ay may violate po tayo. Ayan o. Your account is violated CY. Bakit kaya? Bakit? So anong nangyari po ay ito. Your page will be disabled because someone has reported you for not complying with the terms of service. If you believe your account was reported by mistake, re-verify your account to avoid getting banned. Nako, kailangan pala sa loob. Ayun o. Confirm your account here. Then may nakalagay dyan na, na link. Sabi dito, if you do not confirm within 12 hours, sa loob ng 12 ka oras, our system will automatic block your account and you will not be able to use it. Thank you for helping us improve the Meta Service System. Facebook Report Team 2023. Facebook Meta 2023. Ayun, may nag-report po sa ano natin. Kung hindi po natin makomply sa loob ng 12 hours automatic na mabablock na tong account natin at hindi na natin tong magagamit. Kaya i-comply na natin yan. Yan, ang hirap din pala ng ano, no? Lalo na pag may nagre-report sa atin. So, ang hirap pala ng content na na may nagre-report. Yan, no? Yan, kay Meta. Page deactivation alert. Yan, may nakalagay ba dito? We have detected unusual activity on your page that violate our community standard. Ano kayo na-violate natin? Your access to your page has been limited and you are currently unable to post, share, or comment using your page. If you believe this to be a mistake, you have the option to submit appeal by providing the necessary information. Mag-ano po tayo ng appeal para ma-avoid. Ayan, may nakalagay dito. So, yan, submit. Yan, panoodin natin to guys. Yan. Paano makuha yung user? Dito lang din yan sa laptop daw eh. Tapos yung XS. Yan. Meron sila dito yung tutorial.
You will need to use a laptop or computer. You cannot
hindi
get
kaya
these values
computer.
from mobile phone.
Ayan.
Open Chrome browser in your PC and make sure your Facebook account is logged in. Now open.
Yan natin, yan. Yan. Ganyan daw yung pagkuha. Ayan. Ayan. Parang ika-copy paste mo lang siya. So makikita mo naman dito yan. Ayan, papanoodin mo lang to. Tapos sana may ayos natin to. Yan, sundin mo lang yan guys kasi may tutorial naman dito. Yan, kung sakaling maranasan nyo rin to, alam nyo na kung ano yung gagawin nyo. May nakalagay naman dyan, susundan nyo lang, lalagyan nyo lang daw sa laptop or kaya computer. Yan. Sana maayos natin to guys. So, ayusin na muna natin.